What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you are currently navigating the absolute maze that is the laptop market, you know exactly how overwhelming it can be. There are thousands of options out there, and trying to find the perfect balance between affordability, reliable performance, and premium features often feels completely impossible. You want a machine that can handle your daily workflow without stuttering, but you also don't want to empty your entire savings account just to get it. Well, today, I am incredibly excited because I might have found the exact laptop that hits that sweet spot perfectly. We are taking an in-depth, comprehensive look at the ASUS Vivobook Go 15.6-inch slim laptop. Specifically, we are diving into the model powered by the incredibly efficient AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor, which carries the model number E1504FA-AS54. Before we dive into all the juicy details, the benchmarks, and the real-world performance, I want to let you know that I have placed a direct link down in the description box below. If at any point during this video you feel like this is the right laptop for your personal needs, you can click that link to check the current pricing, see any available discounts, and pick one up right away on Amazon. Using that link genuinely helps support the channel. It's zero extra cost to you, and it allows me to keep buying these laptops to review for you guys. Alright, let us kick things off by talking about the design, the build quality, and the overall portability of this machine. When you first pull the Vivobook Go out of the box, the first thing that strikes you is the incredibly sleek and modern aesthetic. It comes in this gorgeous, cool silver colorway that gives it a highly premium executive feel. It absolutely does not look like a budget-friendly laptop. It looks like a high-end ultrabook that costs twice the price. But beauty isn't just skin deep here. ASUS markets this as a slim laptop, and looking at the exact physical dimensions, they are not exaggerating. It measures precisely 14.19 inches in length, 9.15 inches in depth, and an astonishingly thin 0.7 inches in thickness. Because the form factor is so incredibly compact, you might expect it to feel dense, but that is where the weight completely surprises you. Despite boasting a large, highly productive 15.6-inch display, the entire unit weighs in a mere 3.59 pounds. If you're a college student sprinting across campus between classes, or a professional commuting on a crowded train, you'll barely even notice it's inside your backpack. Now, being lightweight usually implies that a laptop might be fragile, but ASUS has integrated one of the most impressive features into this specific model: military-grade durability. This is a massive selling point. This laptop has been rigorously tested against strict US military standards to withstand physical shocks, drops, vibrations, and even extreme temperature changes. This means if you accidentally bump your bag against a door frame, or you're working in less than ideal environments, this chassis is built to survive the chaos of real everyday life. You simply do not see that level of ruggedness in this price bracket. Moving along the exterior, let's talk about a uniquely brilliant design choice: the 180-degree lay-flat hinge. Traditional laptop hinges stop leaning back at around 130 degrees, which is fine for sitting at a desk, but this Vivobook allows you to push the screen completely flat against the table. Why does that matter? Imagine you're sitting around a table with a study group or having a face-to-face meeting with a client. Instead of awkwardly turning the entire laptop back, to show them your screen, you simply press it flat so everyone can view the document simultaneously. It is an amazing tool for collaboration. Right above the screen, we find the built-in webcam. The webcam capability is definitely a yes, which is essential for our modern era of Zoom meetings and remote work. But ASUS went a step further for your security by including a physical privacy camera shutter, also known as a webcam shield. In an age where digital privacy is a major concern, having a physical, mechanical slider that completely blocks the lens means you never have to wonder if a piece of malware is secretly watching you. When the meeting is over, you slide it shut and enjoy complete peace of mind. Let's lift the lid and talk about what is actually driving this machine. Under the hood, this laptop is rocking the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor. This is a brilliant mobile CPU, The video processor is pure AMD, specifically utilizing integrated AMD Radeon graphics. Now, I want to be completely clear about the specific uses for product. This is designed for personal use, productivity, and media consumption. It is not a hardcore gaming rig. But for everyday tasks, it flies. Whether you're running complex Excel spreadsheets, writing essays, or streaming 4K video, this AMD processor paired with the Radeon graphics coprocessor handles it flawlessly. To support that processor, ASUS has packed in 8 GB of memory, but it is crucial to note the graphics RAM type because it is utilizing ultra-fast DDR5 SD-RAM. DDR5 is the latest generation of memory, offering significantly higher bandwidth and lower power consumption than the older DDR4. This translates to incredibly smooth multitasking. You can have dozens of Google Chrome tabs open, be streaming Spotify in the background, and editing a massive Word document without the system breaking a sweat. When it comes to keeping all your files safe, you have a massive 512 GB hard drive size, and the hard disk description is specifically a blazing fast SSD, or solid-state drive. Please note that there is no optical storage device or disk drive here, which is exactly what keeps the laptop so incredibly thin and light. The 512 GB SSD ensures that your laptop boots up into the operating system in just a matter of seconds. Your applications load almost instantly, and you have tons of room for all your photos, videos, and software. Speaking of the operating system, this Vivobook comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home. Windows 11 provides a beautifully redesigned, user-friendly interface that maximizes your screen real estate. It makes organizing your workflow incredibly intuitive, ensuring you can get straight to work the moment you open the lid. Now, let's talk about living with this device day to day. Battery anxiety is a real thing, but ASUS tackles this with their fast charging technology. Operating on an efficient 3.7 volts architecture, the battery management here is stellar. If you find yourself running out of juice during a long day at the coffee shop, you can plug this laptop into the wall and rapidly regain a significant percentage of your battery life in just a fraction of the time it takes traditional laptops to charge. You'll spend less time tethered to a wall outlet and more time actually getting things done.
Connectivity is also robust. This laptop is a central hub for all your peripherals. Through its HDMI video output, you can easily connect to projectors for presentations or hook up a large external monitor for a dual-screen desk setup. It is fully compatible with a vast array of devices, including external displays, keyboards, mice, external storage devices, printers, and virtually any other accessories that use USB, HDMI, or Bluetooth connectivity. Finally, it comes backed by a limited warranty type, giving you added reassurance that your investment is protected against manufacturing defects right out of the box. So, what is the final verdict here? If you were searching for a laptop that effortlessly blends premium aesthetics, incredibly lightweight portability, military-grade ruggedness, and the snappy performance of an AMD Ryzen 5 and DDR5 memory, the ASUS Vivobook Go 15.6 is an absolute home run. It gives you all the tools you need for personal productivity without the massive price tag. If you are ready to upgrade your daily carry and boost your productivity, do not forget to click that Amazon link down in the description to secure yours today. Thank you all so much for watching this deep dive. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more detailed tech reviews, and drop a comment down below telling me which feature of the Vivobook Go is your favorite. Keep crushing your goals, and I will see you in the next video.